Hi guys, I'm Tasha from Travelandtash. Today I'm doing something completely different. I'm actually cooking. Now, who knows if this is going to come out delicious or absolutely terrible, but stick around to the end to find out. I'm making Nasi Lemak for the first time ever. So if you've ever had this, it's essentially rice made using coconut milk. It's usually accompanied with something like chicken or anchovies. It usually comes with a little side of some kind of green like cucumbers and some maybe some egg. There's a variety of different ways that you can make this breakfast. I had it in Pangkor Island when I visited Malaysia about a year ago, and I'm missing it. You probably have never ever seen such a tiny little kitchen, but this is quite the challenge, but I really enjoy cooking, so we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna introduce you to the ingredients that I'm going to be using. 1 cucumber, 1 cup of rice, some dry roasted peanuts, anchovies, sambal cabai chili sauce, coconut cream. This is extra virgin olive oil, the Himalayan pink sea salt. I'm ready to start cooking. The first thing I'm going to do is get the rice ready. So I've got 1 cup of rice and I'm going to use water mixed with coconut cream. So let's see how this works out. I'm going to add half a cup of coconut cream. I've actually got a whole cup here, but I'm not going to use all of it. So I've got a ratio of 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, and then I'm going to add half cup of cream. In rice, you might add lemongrass or pandan leaves, but I actually couldn't find any. So I'm making do with just the coconut cream and a little salt. I'm ready to start frying the anchovies and peanuts. So I'm going to add a little olive oil into a saucepan. So these are our dried anchovies. I'm going to add half a cup of dried anchovies. Oh, this smells good. I also have half a cup of dried roasted peanuts. Oh, that smells amazing. I love the smell of the coconut rice. It smells so good. I'm actually really excited about this particular meal. Technically, I should add sugar to the anchovies and nuts, and I don't want to. I actually don't even have any sugar at home, but I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add some to our rice. Our rice smells really good. Oh, I can feel that thickening. That's almost like a pudding. It feels like a pudding. I'll lower that temperature there. I'm really hungry right now. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I am ready to eat my lunch, which actually is funny because actually this is supposed to be breakfast. Guys, I think that I've cooked them just perfectly. The combination of the anchovies and the peanuts smells really good. I'm going to let it just set for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the rest of the meal and just basically set it all up. Guys, I'm so excited to eat this. So excited. Let's add a little dollop I have to confess that the sambal is more of a jelly than I remembered. I thought it was like a heavier consistency last time. So I'm not sure if this is the right one. So let me know in the comments, guys. Is this the right sambal? Because I don't know. If you're from Indonesia or Malaysia, you know the right one. Woo! I can't believe how excited I am to do this because it's actually been so long since I've learned to cook something new. Yeah. Yum! Wow. So delicious. I really love the combination of the toasted peanuts with the creaminess of the rice. This totally makes the perfect light breakfast when you're in a hot country like Malaysia. You want to eat something that's yummy, nutritious, has protein. You know, you've got the fish, you've got the nuts. You've also got the sugars, which are the carbohydrates, the yummy, you know, coconut saturated rice. And then for just a bit of like va-va-voom, you know, the yummy sauce, and of course fresh cucumber to give you your added vitamins. This is perfect, not just as a breakfast, but also as a lunch. I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to see me cooking more meals, let me know in the comments below, and I want to hear your suggestions as well. Remember to hit the bell button and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!